In today's video, we are going to learn one of the most important tenses in English, the past simple tense. You'll learn what it is, when we use it, how to make sentences using it, and some common mistakes to avoid. This explanation is especially designed for beginners, so stay with me till the end to become confident in using the past simple tense. What is the past simple tense? The past simple tense is used to talk about actions or events that happened in the past and are now finished. It tells us when something happened and that it does not continue into the present. For example, I watched a movie last night. She visited her grandmother yesterday. In both sentences, the action is complete. That is the main idea behind this tense. When do we use the past simple tense? We use the past simple tense in several situations. Here are the most common ones. Completed actions in the past. He bought a car last month. They traveled to Dubai in 2021. A series of actions in the past. She got up, brushed her teeth, and went to school. Duration in the past, with time expressions like for, all day, etc. We stayed in London for a week. He worked all day yesterday. Facts are general truths in the past. People believed the earth was flat. My grandfather spoke 5 languages. How to form sentences in past simple tense. On affirmative sentences. To make a positive sentence, we usually add ed to regular verbs. Structure, subject plus, verb, past form, plus, object. Examples: I played cricket. She opened the door. But not all verbs are regular. Some verbs are irregular and their past forms are different. Examples of irregular verbs: go, went, eat, ate, see, saw. So, he went to school. They ate lunch at 1 p.m. 2. Negative sentences. To make a negative sentence, we use did not, didn't, and the base form of the verb. Structure, subject plus, did not, plus, base, form of verb, plus, object. Examples: I did not watch TV. She didn't go to the market. Note: we don't use the past form of the verb after did not. Always use the base form. Wrong. She didn't went to school. Right. She didn't go to school. 3. Interrogative sentences. Questions. To ask a question, we use did at the beginning. Structure. Did plus subject plus base form of verb plus object. Examples: did you call her? Did they finish the work? You can also use questions like, where did you go? What did she say? Again, use the base form of the verb. Time expressions used with past simple tense. These expressions often come with the past simple tense. They help us understand when something happened. Yesterday, last night, week, year, month. In 2010, 2 days ago, a few minutes ago. Examples: he left yesterday. I met him last week. She arrived 2 hours ago. Regular and irregular verbs. Regular verbs. These verbs end in ed in their past form. Walk, walked. Talk, talked. Clean, cleaned. Irregular verbs. These verbs have different past forms that you need to memorize. Go, went. See, saw. Write, wrote. A few more examples. Speak, spoke. Take, took. Drink, drank. It's a good idea to make a list of irregular verbs and review them regularly. Negative and question forms. A quick tip. Always remember, use did not or didn't for negative sentences. Use did for questions. After did, always use the base form of the verb. Wrong. Did you saw him? Right. Did you see him? Wrong. She didn't eat lunch. Right. She didn't eat lunch. Common mistakes to avoid. Using past form with did. Incorrect. I didn't went there. Correct? I didn't go there. Forgetting time expressions. Adding a time word helps the listener understand when the action happened. Mixing up regular and irregular verbs. Don't say, he goed home. Say, he went home. Wrong word order in questions. Incorrect. You did go there? Correct. Did you go there? Practice sentences. Try saying these aloud. I cleaned my room yesterday. Did you call your friend last night? They didn't watch the match. We traveled to Lahore in 2019. She didn't come to school today. What did you eat for dinner? Practice makes perfect. Try making your own sentences using your daily routine. Summary: what we have learned today. In this video, we talked about the past simple tense. You learned what the past simple tense is, when to use it, how to make positive, negative, and question sentences, the difference between regular and irregular verbs, common time expressions, mistakes to avoid. By now, you should feel more confident using the past simple tense in everyday conversations. Keep practicing with your own examples, and you'll improve quickly. Thank you for watching today's lesson. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Grammar with Altaf. Keep learning, and I'll see you in the next video with another useful grammar lesson.